Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, end of 2023, what a year we've had. We're giving out some awards, and this one is the Great Advocate for the Drymatic product. Drymatic is one of our founding products that we have. That's one of our range of products that we get from Wales, and it's from DBK, fantastic product. And now this Great Advocate, this is a person that is so passionate about the product and really wants to make sure that their technicians are passionate about the product, putting their technicians through all the flood house training with us, and certainly looking at what they can do with the product, and no hesitation. When anything new comes out, they go, how can we utilise that in our business? Very passionate about drying hard to dry structures, very passionate about having the right instruments to dry those hard to dry structures. So fantastic, Jeff, fantastic mate, well done mate, to you and your team. You're getting $100 this year off Restore Solutions product. Thanks so much for all what you've done in 2023, and I can't wait to see what Fix It Industries have got planned for 2024. Well done, and well done to you and your team, Jeff, and yeah, thanks for being part of this industry. Have a good Christmas.